Namaskar. I am here to announce something very interesting for you, especially for Tabla students. I would like to share all my ideas and talim with my junior. First of all, thanks to Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapeeth of Pune, who has invited me and given me the opportunity of doing this on 11th June evening 6:30 to 10 p.m. So be with me and be with Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapeeth and have the fun and the enjoyment all about tabla, solo and accompaniment. I will talk a little bit of solo and then I will also talk about accompaniment. So see you guys. Thanks very much once again to Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapeeth and best wishes to all of you and me. Thank you. Bye.